Hey everyone, this is the second part of my video. The first video I showed you how to use MHD on iOS, so I'll link that video in the description below. Now I'm going to talk about how to do a JB4 Backend Flash using iOS and MHD. I'm also going to go over how to flash a custom map because I am on a custom map with JB4, okay? Step one is to go to the App Store and download this app called Unzip, all right? It's that one right here. Right? Once you download it, you just don't have to worry about it yet. There's a lot of mosquitoes out. Your next step is going to be going on Google. All you're going to do is type in N54 BEF. All right? BEF stands for Backend Flash. And the first link that's going to come up is the N54 tech link for all the JB4 information. You're going to say, focus this camera. You're going to scroll down all the way until you get right here, the Backend Flash map templates, and you're going to click the 02/17/19 map release. Okay, it's going to go right here. You're going to click download, and that's all you got to do. Once you download those maps, you're going to go to the Unzip app, and you're going to go to transfer. Mosquitoes, get away. And you're going to hit this file/iCloud drive. It's going to download. It takes about a few minutes to download. Mine is just finished, and then you'll have this zip file right over here. Once you get that zip file, you're going to hold down on it. You're going to move it, and you're going to move it right over here. All right, I guess I already had one over there, so I'll do it again just to show you how it works. Okay, you're going to move it to the Unzip folder on your phone. Once you do that, you're going to hit cancel. You're going to go to files, and you're going to find the zip file right over here. I totally forgot I just did this, but to get the idea, once you have, this is the second one I just downloaded, you're going to click it. It's going to extract the file, and then it's going to give you the unextracted file right here. Once you get that, you're going to hit the information button. Now you're going to hit send, and then just hit save to files. Okay, save to files, and you're going to save that to your MHD folder. Okay, click MHD N54 and hit save. It's going to save it. Now when I open up my MHD, I'm going to connect to my door adapter real quick. When you go to MHD, you hit flash a backend map. Boom, look at that. The folder is right over there. It's that simple. You hit the folder and find the map you gotta go. I8 AOS. And whatever one you wanna do, you wanna do 85 Backend Flash, you hit it, contacts your DME, you put all the options on you need to, and then you just hit flash and it'll flash it on there. Now make sure you have a battery charger on, of course. But I already have a custom map on here. I'm not gonna do this, but I wanna show you the steps to get there. If you want to do a custom map, just go and find the custom map that your tuner sent you. Mine's on Dropbox. Continue the website, download, direct download. And once you get that downloaded, same thing. Right here is nice because I have an open and unzip option. Takes you over here. The file is downloaded. Do the same thing. Information, send, save to files, and then I'm going to save it to my MHD folder. Connect back to my door adapter now. Now when I go to MHD, I can go to flash a custom map, and my custom map is right there. Same concept. Click it. Oh, why didn't it connect? But you get the idea. Unable to join through Wi-Fi. It's connected. There you go. You get the concept though. Click it. Boom, you're ready to flash. Put any options you have on, you need to get on. I have launch control, whatever you want to do, okay? Hope this video helps you. MHD and iOS is awesome. Again, if you want to know how to use MHD with iOS and transfer all your licenses over, I have another video. I'll link to this one. But yeah, that's all I have for you. Again, questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment box below. Till next time, peace.